Welcome again. This is the military owner, right? Now, this is my preview of Arsenal versus Burnley, or Burnley versus Arsenal. Now, shout out, big up, subscribe, like, and share. Now, let's start this. Last time Arsenal faced Burnley was under Unai Emery. You know, things change now. Now we're operating under Mikel Arteta M8. Don't know. Alright, so this is how we view the thing I go run. Alright, so start with the recent form of Burnley have 2 losses and 3 wins. We have 2 wins and 3 draws. We have a poor record so far. Come back watch Arsenal draw FC. All we do is drawing. That's how we do. Keep on drawing. But besides that, both of us have 9 points. We sit 10th. Arsenal sit 10th on the table with 30 points, and Burnley sit 13th on the table with the same 30 points. Arsenal have a -2 goal difference. Burnley have a -10 goal difference. Massive gap. Now, boy, along to things. The last time we played was a 2-win. Back in September, the 17th of September, where I think it will be the last time they say Arsenal, Lacazette and Aubameyang scored the same match last time. Now, Aubameyang coming back for this match, we know that he's our top striker. We need him. Lacazette not fine at the moment, so we need Aubameyang to come back in, slot in. So, based off that, we'll go into turf more. The referee will be Chris Kavanagh. Long time. It's been a while since he has ref in one of our matches. Majority of our matches are between Martin Taylor and Mike Dean. But good thing about it, we don't have anyone who's gonna cause any shithousery on the field for us. Now, the last match we played was a fantastic performance by Dani Ceballos, in which he had 2 assists, both for Aubameyang and Lacazette. He had a great game. He has been featured for us, but he's back. Mikel is possible out of favor with Mikel Arteta, but we're hoping that Arteta can see that he's a baller, in which we all know, but he's the one seen him training, so Arteta must know what he's doing. Now, I would want to say my predicted lineup would be Leno in goal, right back Hector Bellerin, David Luiz, and I would love to see Pablo Mari. Left side of the centre half. And at left back, if Kolasinac is not back as yet, because we know Tierney is not back until in March, so it would be Saka. So that would be the back line. Saka at left back, Mari at left centre half. Hopefully he's fit enough to play if play. If he's not fit enough, it'll be Socrates and David Luiz. But once Mari is fit enough, I'll play Pablo Mari, David Luiz, and Hector Bellerin at right back. Two holding midfielder, Jacques Touré. That is the best player we have at the moment. Now in front of them, personally, I'll put Joe Willock. But I think he's going to use Mesut Ozil. I would use Joe Willock. We need the power, the running power. We need the physique. We need the athleticism in the middle of the pitch. That is what I want. But I know he's going to use Mesut Ozil. On the right, Nicolas Pepe. Presents. Now on the left, Martinelli. That is my lineup. I would use Martinelli. And up top, Aubameyang. That is my starting lineup. So that is how I would go with it. Now, for last 5 matches, we gathered 9 points each. We are tied points and only being separated by goal difference. Now, if you look at the table, you'd realize that Manchester United have about 4 points ahead of us. If we win this match, and somehow the rest of teams will face losses, hopefully we may be 1 point behind Manchester United and 7 points behind Chelsea. Now, our last 5 matches against this Burnley team, we haven't lost against them in a long while. But the last 5 matches in which I could account for, we have scored 15 goals and only conceded 3 goals. That is good. That is good. 3 clean sheets as well. And that is a very, very good and a fantastic way to go about playing against this team. Now we know how Burnley play. They are very physical. A lot of long balls, a lot of hair ball. But I believe the way we're playing right now, the aggression that we're showing, the intelligence that we're playing right now, the system that Arteta has put in place, we can see them out. If Emery was playing so bad and we were able to see them off, I believe that Arteta can see them off in a better fashion. Now, thank you very much for watching this. Please like, subscribe, share to the Military Guna. Thank you.